Necessity is the mother of invention. Plato said that years ago, and it could not be more relevant and true than in this moment. In 2020, a turning point of a brand new decade. And for me as a business leader, I want to help everybody take a deep breath and know what it means to give your business, your next live event, your gathering of your team, CPR. Now, what does CPR mean? CPR is a concept we've been chewing on here at Elevate and helping our clients not see, which is to cancel their gathering or their event, maybe to postpone it, but to bigger than that, the R, which is to reimagine. You guys know what CPR is, right? It's giving life to something that doesn't have life. It's bringing that flat line back into where it should be. And so my challenge as a leader is that my business Elevate experiences is to help people not just cancel something, but to postpone it or to reimagine how they could bring their team together to do three things in a very succinct and relevant way. Number one is to inspire them. Our teams, our culture, our world needs inspiration now more than ever. And for you as a leader to be able to pause and to know that you can give them inspiration in a different way is a beautiful thing. The second thing is to educate them. Is how are you thinking about the business moving forward? The global economy is totally changing, but you have the beautiful benefit of changing with it. And the last thing is to equip them. Now, at your live event that you have together, what does it tell your team if you cancel something? What does it tell your team if you postpone something? What does it tell your team if you reimagine it? For me, the Masters being postponed and Major League Baseball starting date being postponed is much different than the feeling I have knowing that the NBA and that the NCAA tournament are canceled. It's a very different vibe. And so your board members, your team members, your customers, what does it say about your brand if you give it the C of CPR, which is to cancel it? I understand it's very wise right now within our culture to think about what is best for the entire community. I am totally great with things being paused and put on hold, but when you cancel it, it says something amazing about your brand. And so I want to help you with the R, which is to reimagine it. At Elevate Experiences, we spend our time helping brands tell their story by doing unique things that connect to their team members and connect to their customers. What I like to say in short is we want to make your team members smile and your customers rave. And in 2020, in this brand new decade, and now with the coronavirus right here in the middle of our culture, not just in the US, but around the world, we have to really consider what it would look like for us to reimagine how we do business. This is affecting everything. Please contact us. We would love to help you reimagine your next live event. Don't just cancel it. Think about how you can add value to your people to inspire them, to educate them, and to equip them. We have to do this. We can't stop. This is not just an Elevate thing. This is not just a sales video from Billy to get you to contact us. I really believe we have some solutions that can help every brand in the world continue to grow our economy, to grow our impact. I'm a fan. I'm team human. I want everybody out there to reimagine how they get things done. If we can serve you at all, please let us know. And you can probably already tell, I like making lemonade out of lemons. Give us a call. Thanks.